if I told you that black magic was done on the Prophet of Allah himself? In just 5 verses, saved him. This surah is not just a prayer. It is a shield sent down from the heavens. Here is what happened. A man named Labid ibn al-Asam buried a knotted cord inside a well. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began feeling confusion and deep distress. Then Angel Jibreel came down with a revelation from Allah, Surah Al-Falaq. And with every single verse recited, one knot untied, until the Prophet was completely healed. So what does this surah protect you from? The evil of darkness, when it settles, the evil of black magic, and those who practice it, and the evil of the envier, when they envy you. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, recite Surah Al-Falaq and Surah An-Nas 3 times every morning and every evening, and they will be enough for you against everything. 3 short verses every single morning, because Allah's protection is just one recitation away. Share this. Someone you love needs to hear this today. Assalamu alaikum.